BMW X5. Need to change this sensor. Maybe also this. To change that, as you see, sensor is inside. Need to take out bumper. Take out bumper. You must take out this frame, and here you will find one screw. One screw is also here. Here I'm gonna take just this corner, this right side corner. Also you will find screw there. Also you're gonna find screws, one here under number plate and one here, and 3 screws here down. Also one here and one here down. Here inside was no screw, but maybe it must be. I'm not sure. No, it must not be any screws. Old one. New one is in place. There is one clip, and same other side is another clip. You just split them, and with another finger you push it in. It jumps in and you can take it out. After gonna change, and like that. Now go and test it. Is it working? Parktronic system. If it's everything works, just put everything back, all screws back, and finish. BMW X5 e53, around 2006 model.